Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you're creating YouTube videos, cinematic projects, gaming content, reels, or client work, using the right export settings can make your final video look much cleaner and more professional. First, make sure your editing is complete before exporting. Check your cuts, transitions, captions, music, effects, and audio sync carefully. Next, click the Deliver page at the bottom of DaVinci Resolve. This section is used for exporting and rendering videos. DaVinci Resolve includes export presets for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Vimeo, and more, so choose the preset that matches your project. For the best quality, select the resolution you want, such as 1080p or 4K if your footage supports it. Now click Render All to begin exporting your video. Rendering time depends on your video length, effects, and PC performance. After exporting finishes, open the final video file and check the quality, audio sync, and overall playback before uploading it online. And that's basically how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With the right resolution, format, and quality settings, you can create professional-looking exports for YouTube, social media, or client projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.